Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. In today's video, I've got something very special to show you all. It's an awesome gaming SSD, but this is just not any other regular one. It's a drive with the largest RGB luminous area available in the market. Yes, that is absolutely right. We have the Teamgroup's T-Force Delta R RGB SSD in my hands. I'm super excited to unbox and show it to you. So the Delta R RGB comes in this sort of packaging. The box looks very attractive and this drive comes in different storage options like 250GB, 500GB and also 1TB. The one I have is the 250GB variant. It's a 2.5-inch solid-state drive and is made for motherboards with 9-pin USB header. You can see a picture of the product on the front. By the way, this SSD comes in two colors, white and black. I've got the standard black color variant. Okay, let's see what else is written on the box. It comes with a 3-year warranty, has beautiful RGB lighting and works on 5 volts. The price on the box says 7,599 rupees, but it costs only around 4,900 rupees. Okay, so that was about the box packing. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Now let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. Okay, let me take it out and show you the product. So here it is, the Delta R RGB from Team T-Force. It comes nicely packed on this tray. So along with the SSD, you get a micro USB to 9-pin USB header cable. You need to connect this cable from the SSD to your motherboard to enable that RGB lighting on the drive. And here's the RGB SSD from T-Force. Oh my god, just look at the design. Looks very attractive even without the RGB lighting. And we've got a T-Force branded sticker over here. You can stick it anywhere like on your PC cabinet. Alright, I'll show you the product in a moment. Along with that, you also get a user manual. Just make sure to read that for full info on the product. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the SSD and talk about the design and the build quality. The Delta R RGB from Teamgroup looks very beautiful and has a strong rugged design. It's a 2.5-inch drive with a height of around 9.5mm. The build quality is top-notch and it's the only SSD to have the largest RGB luminous area with a ratio of 5:3. It weighs around 80 grams and you see this white diffused area on the front. This whole thing glows in RGB. Awesome, right? You've got the T-Force logo here and says Delta R at the bottom. This SSD has a 3D NAND flash memory which is durable, shockproof and also drop resistant. Over here you've got all of its connectivity ports. There's a SATA, a power cable connector, and on the right side we've got a micro USB port. Now this is where you need to connect that USB cable from your motherboard. The company says it supports a read and write speeds of up to 560 Mbps, but we have to put that to a test and see the results. Well, that's it guys, that was our quick look at the Delta R RGB SSD from T-Force. Now let me just connect it to my PC and give you a glimpse of how this RGB SSD looks like. So this is how beautiful the SSD looks like. Holy smokes, it's amazing! It's got this beautiful water flow rainbow lighting effect, but the sad part is the RGB lighting on this SSD is not controllable and there's even no option to sync it with your motherboard software. So you're stuck with only one lighting effect. I'll be using this SSD in my upcoming PC build and talk about the performance over there. So that's it for today guys, I'll end the video here. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.